So ngayong hapon, kami na po ang magbibigay pugay sa ating magsisipagtapos at pati sa kanila mga magulang. Sa ating po mga kawani, mga dekano, mga opisyal ng University of Makati. Congratulations! I am particularly proud of the fact that my participation in the progress of the University of Makati was to have been instrumental, kami po ni Congressman Kid, na magkaroon tayo ng institutional recognition. Congratulations! I was incensed. Galit na galit ako nung nalaman ko na after 50 years, may mga universidad na may institutional recognition, mga universidad na nabuo sa ilalim ng punong saging sa probinsya. The University of Makati produces graduates from across the spectrum of society. We produce graduates from different government agencies and different LGUs. They come to us. We produce excellent graduates in the field, in different fields, nursing, civil engineering. Hindi naman ho makatarungan na hindi tayo bigyan ng recognition ng ating pamahalaan. So again, congratulations sa ating lahat. Kahapon, ang tungkulin ko po sa Kongreso ay bilang isang co-chairman ng Appropriations Committee. I handle several agencies, but yesterday I was presiding doon sa Department of Information and Telecommunications, yung DICT. So, may lumapit sa akin after may abogado lumapit sa akin after the hearing and nagpa-picture. Natuwa naman ako na sabi niya, "Sir, graduate po ako ng School of Law ng UMAC." Ours is the only locally funded university to make it to the top university rankings in the whole world. Number 209 po tayo out of the top rank 300 out of thousands all over the world. So world rank po ang inyong alma mater. Ano ibig sabihin yan? We are on track to produce quality graduates. Kanina nakikinig ako mabuti doon sa sinasabi ni Mayora Abby. Hindi sapat na nakagraduate kayo. Ang kailangan, maging employable, maging productive members of society kayo. I think we are on track, UMAC. Mabuhay kayo. So sa darating pong panahon, asahan nyo lang ang aming suporta, kung anuman, kung saan man kami nandoon sa ating University of Makati, dahil ito po ay atin. Dito po tayo nagsimula. We encourage all of you to give return of service to the city that nurtured you, and of course, to the parents who nurtured and cared for you throughout all these years. So sa inyong lahat, again, congratulations. Mabuhay kayo. At lagi ko po sinasabi ng mas mediin ngayon, mabuhay po ang Makati. Maraming salamat.